Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, today was the IPO day. If you're brand new, IPO just means it literally started trading today, so that's why the chart looks kind of goofy. Not a whole lot of information here, but again, literally just started trading on the day and was a pretty savage mover. I mean, things were looking fantastic and then really just rolled over in the afternoon. But nonetheless, from a trading standpoint, this thing had all sorts of volume and, relatively speaking, some good volatility. So I know I'll be watching it moving forward. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of other traders watching it. So just want to map out some areas of support and resistance to keep an eye on. So the first area of resistance, and I should also take a step back, none of these areas that I'm going to talk about am I trying to come across like this is some sort of great discovery and then I have some sort of special talent. Nothing like that. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are watching these same levels. And I make all those points because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with these areas. So the first level that, like I said, a lot of people are going to be watching is the top portion of this consolidation area right here of the final 30 minutes, right up there at $9.80. I mean, that's a nice little, what we would call in the world of candlesticks, hammer candle there, doji, whatever you want to call it, spinning top. And if the price can work its way up there and get a breakthrough there, you know, no such thing as a guarantee, but it's definitely a more than valid and rational thought that a break of 980 could, you know, create some more upside buying pressure, which would then bring the next key level of resistance into play, which is that area right up there around $10.15. So there's definitely some wiggle room here for some nice movement, and those are just going to be the two levels of resistance I focus on just because I don't want to have lines and clutter all over the place. But let's just see how the price behaves relative to those levels moving forward. And then as far as supports are concerned, nothing fancy at all. It's quite literally just a question of, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? Where did the bounce occur? And that was down there at $9.10. So that's going to be the main level to watch from the support side of things. But as of going into tomorrow, from the technical point of view, those are really the only levels that really make sense to keep an eye on. So we'll see how things play out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.